How to edit green screen in VN video editor. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your VN application. After that, tap on the plus icon. Then create a project. After that, go to new project and then select a picture for or a video. Then I have selected this man over here. Then tap next, and in this tab to add sticker, simply tap on it and then select photos. After that, select your green screen and fit it to your frame. And next, tap on the picture and then you will see an option of chroma over here. Tap on it, and from here you will be able to make a green screen video. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.